My name is C.H. Vijaykumari, M.Com B.Ed. I am faculty in commerce for CA CPT students, accounts class, accountancy class, paper 1. Now today we are discussing about in accounts class non-profit organization, not for profit organization or non-trading concerns. Okay, here profit or non-profit organizations. Organizations can classify two categories. Those are commercial organizations and non-commercial organizations. Okay, we know commercial organizations main object is to earn profits and non-commercial organization main object is to service motto. Commercial organizations main motto is to earn profits motto and non-commercial organization main motto is service motto, whose main objective is not to earn profit but render some service to members or societies are called non-profit organizations or non-trading concerns. Okay, here the non-profit organizations main motto is, what is the non-profit organization main motto? To service motto. This is one character, to service motto. And second character is working without profit motto, working without profit motto. Working without profit motto. And the third character is not for profit organization main motto, service motto. This is working without profit motto and service to its members as well as public relations, as well as public, general publics. Okay, this is also one type of character. Service to its members as well as general public. And the not-for-profit general public. And the not-for-profit organization's preference is welfare and development activities. Welfare and development activities. These are the main character activities. These are the main characters of the not-for-profit organization. Okay, students, here organization can classify into two categories. Those are the profit organizations or commercial organizations, and number two, non-for-profit organizations or non-trading concerns. The profit organization main motto is to earn profits and the not-for-profit organization main motto is to service motto. To service motto. This is a one character. To service motto is a one character, and without working to earn profits, this is also one character, and service to its members as well as to general public and welfare. These main preference, these organizations preference gives to welfare and development activities. These are the main characters of the not-for-profit organizations. Okay, these organizations survive on donations, grants, subscription from its members. These organizations main survive on donations, grants and subscriptions from its members. These are the not-for-profit organization. Okay, profit organizations and not-for-profit organizations both are prepared final accounts. Both are prepared final accounts. Okay, here the not-for-profit organization can register under Society Registration Act Section 8, but it is not compulsory. For registration, they are not for profit organization prepared memorandum of associations and articles of associations and other documents are submitted to the registration office prescribed fee. Okay, prescribed fee. Not for profit organization main motto is service motto. Okay, here profit organization main motto is profit or commercial organization main motto is to earn profits. They prepared and profit organizations and commercial organizations and not for commercial organizations both are prepared final accounts, but profit organization prepared trading and profit and loss accounts, but not for profit organizations prepared final accounts also. Those are also prepared final accounts. Those are, first one is the receipts and payments account, receipts and payments account, and the second one is the income and expenditure account, income and expenditure account, and third one is the balance sheet. Okay, we know students, here the profit, here the commercial organizations and non-commercial organizations both are prepared final accounts, but commercial organization prepared trading account and profit and loss account, and finally they got the profits or losses. But here non-profit organizations also prepared final account. Those are receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Now we are discussing about the receipts and payments account. What is the receipts and payments account? How we find out the incomes and expenses in receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. First one, receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account. Okay. Here the receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments. Receipts all are debit and payments all are credit. Okay, now here the receipts and payment account, it is similar to cash account. It is similar to cash account. It is similar to cash account. Receipts and payments account is similar to cash account. Here the cash account, cash receivings all are debit side, recording debit side, and the cash payments all are recorded into credit side of the cash account. Here also receipts and payments account, all receipts all are recorded into debit side of the receipts and payment account, and all payments all are recorded into credit side of the receipts and payments account. Okay, here the receipts and payments account, we are recorded only cash transactions only. Cash transactions only we are recorded into the receipts and payments account. Debit side receipts and credit side the payments. Credit side payments. Receipts and payments account starts with opening balance. Bank or cash in hand. Cash in hand. It is opening balance. It is starts with opening balance, bank, cash in hand. Okay, in this receipts and payments account, all types of capital and revenue items all are recorded into the receipts and payments account. All capital and revenue incomes, all capital and revenue items all are recorded into the receipts and payments account. Okay, finally here the receipts and payments account, in debit side we are recorded into receipts, and credit side we are recorded into the credit side payments. Credit side payments. Okay, always the receipts and payments account showing balance, debit balance. Always the receipts and payment account showing debit balance only. It is starts with opening balance, bank and cash in hand, and capital and revenue items all are recorded into the receipts and payments account. Capital items and revenue items. Here the receipts and payments account, all adjustments, not outstanding incomes and expenses and prepaid incomes and expenses are not reflected in this receipts and payments account. Finally, receipts and payments account ends with closing balance that is bank and cash in hand. Bank and cash in hand. Okay, this is a receipts and payments account following methods. Receipts and payments account, it is similar to cash account. It is similar to cash account, and this account is which type of account? Receipts and payments account, which type of account? It is a real account. It is a real account. We know very well in first year, we are already learning in first year. Types of accounts, total types of accounts is personal account and impersonal account. Personal accounts, we know, for example, personal accounts Raju, Ramu, Somu, that like, and impersonal accounts real account and nominal account. In real account, we are treated to tangible and intangible assets all are treated to real account, and that is cash and buildings and furniture and land and machinery, these are all, and intangible assets, goods, goodwill, and trademarks and patents, these are all intangible assets. These are all treated to real account. These are all treated to real account. And nominal account, we know nominal account, all incomes and expenses all are treated to nominal account. That is salaries, commission, rent, these are all nominal account. Okay, here the cash receipts and payments, it is similar to cash account. And next, this is receipts and payments account. Which type of account means this is a real account? This is a real account. These are all the following. These are all the features of receipts and payment account. Okay, it is similar to cash account. And this account we are recorded only debit side only, receipts, cash receipts, and cash payments all are recorded into credit side. And the next one, the capital items and revenue items all are recorded into the receipts and payments account. In cash, receipts and payments account starts with opening balance, bank, and cash in hand, and then after the receipts and payments account ends with closing balance, cash, bank, and cash in hand. This is a real account. This is a real account. Here the not-for-profit organization can also prepare final accounts. Those are first one we are preparing receipts and payments account, and next one we are prepared income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Okay, here the receipts and payments account, which type of account? Which type of account means here the receipts and payments account, a real account. And this account, which topics, which items are recorded in this receipts and payments accounts means capital items and revenue items all are recorded into the receipts and payments account, and all receipts recorded into debit side and all payments are recorded into credit side. This is always receipts and payments account shows always debit balance, and this account ends with closing balance of bank and cash in hand. Okay, this is the receipts and payments account. And next, then after we are going to not for profit organization, second account is, that is the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Here the profit organizations are commercial organizations. Main object is to earn profits. Those organizations prepare trading and profit and loss account. Here the not-for-profit organizations can also prepare final accounts. These organizations prepare receipts and payments account, and similarities in next one is the income and expenditure account, and then after balance sheet we are prepared. Finally, we got our financial position, how it is our financial position of organization at the end of the year. Okay, next income and expenditure account. This is similar to It is similar to which account? Profit and loss account. Yes, profit and loss account. It is similar to profit and loss account. And then next, then after it is which type of account? Income and expenditure account. Which type of account? Yes, it is nominal account. It is nominal account. We know already what is the nominal account and what are the real account and what are the personal account. Okay, now here the profit and income and expenditure account is nominal account. And then after next third one, income and expenditure account, we are first in debit side, expenses we are recorded into the expenses debit side, and credit side all incomes and recorded into credit side. Credit side income and expenditure. In income and expenditure account, we are recorded in debit side all expenses. All expenses means here only revenue expenses only recording in this account in income and expenditure account. Okay, all incomes all are recorded. All incomes means revenue incomes only recorded into the credit side of the income and expenditure account. Okay, here the receipts and payments account, we are recording all capital and revenue items. Now here income and expenditure account, we are only recording only revenue items only we are recording in here income and expenditure account. Here the expenses are recorded into debit side and incomes all are recorded into credit side. All incomes means which incomes? Revenue incomes only. Revenue incomes recorded into credit side of the income and expenditure account, and expenses all recorded into the debit side of the income and expenditure account. Okay, in this account we are recording in this account, income and expenditure account, all adjustments means outstanding salaries, outstanding incomes and outstanding expenses, and prepaid incomes and prepaid expenses, and depreciation provided on assets. These are all recording into the income and expend. All adjustments all are recorded into the income and expenditure account. All adjustments all are recorded into the income and expenditure account. And then after, here the income and expenditure account, in this account, the difference between the income and expenses, it shows surplus or deficit. Surplus or deficit. Okay, now here this surplus is transferred to which account? Means this surplus is transferred to capital fund. This surplus is transferred to capital fund in balance sheet. This surplus is transferred to which capital fund? In balance sheet. This surplus is add to the capital fund, and if there is surplus, add to the capital fund. There is deficit, that is deduct from capital fund. This is the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account, it is similar to profit and loss account, and it is a real account or nominal account? It is a nominal account. Okay, now here the income and expenditure account, all expenses means only revenue expenses only record in the debit side, and revenue incomes only recorded into the credit side of the income and expenditure account. And here the all adjustments means outstanding expenses, outstanding incomes, types of adjustments all are recorded, all are treated, or all are making in this account, income and expenditure account. And then after, finally we got the income and expenditure difference. The difference between the income and expenditure, we got the information that surplus or deficit. Okay, the surplus or deficit is transferred to which fund? Capital fund, or it is the balance sheet. It is transferred to balance sheet, capital fund. Okay, now this is the income and expenditure account. Here the income and expenditure account only we are only revenue items only. Okay, now receipts and payments account, revenue and capital items, both items are recorded into the receipts and payments account. Only revenue items only taken to the which account? Means income and expenditure account. This is a nominal account. Okay, here the all adjustments all are taken to this making this account, and both the difference between the income and expenditure, that is shown in surplus or deficit, this is transferred to balance sheet at capital fund. Added surplus, if there is surplus, that is add, and if there is deficit, that is deduct for the from the capital fund. This is the income and expenditure account. Okay, here the non-profit organizations prepared receipts and payments account, and then after income and expenditure account, and then after balance sheet. Okay, here the income and expenditure account, we got our organization surplus or deficit, how much our organization surplus or how much deficit. Okay, now this is the income and expenditure account, and then after we are preparing balance sheet. In balance sheet, capital items only, capital items, capital receipts and capital payments all recording in this balance sheet. Okay, here balance sheet, in liability side capital fund, and there is a life membership fee, and capital contributed members capital, and balance and here the next life membership fee, legacies, these are all recorded into liability side, and assets, all assets, capital receipts, capital payments, all are recorded into the assets side. Capital payments all are recorded into the assets side. Finally, we got our financial position. How is our organization financial position at the end of the year? Okay, we are preparing these accounts. Okay, now profit organizations or commercial organizations also prepared these final accounts, and non-profit organization also can prepare these accounts. Those profit organizations prepare trading and profit and loss account. Here the not-profit organizations prepared receipts and payments and income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Okay, now this is remember it. Okay, here the receipts and payments account is which type of account? Question, which type of account? Receipts and payment account, which type of account? That is real or personal or nominal account? Here that is a real account. Okay, it is similar to which account? Cash account. Okay, it is similar to cash account. Okay, here the all cash transactions only recording in this receipts and payments account. Cash transactions only record outai dintlo, cash transactions only record outai kabatti cash transactions, all cash transactions only recorded in this account. All cash receipts recorded in debit side, and all cash payments recorded into credit side of the receipts and payments account. Okay, here the receipts and payments account starts with opening balance, that is bank or that is cash in hand. Okay, now all capital items and all revenue items all are recorded into the receipts and payments account, and the end of the receipts and payments account, that is closing balance, that is bank and cash in hand balance. Okay, now that is the receipts and payments account. Next, income and expenditure we are preparing. Next, income and expenditure. In income and expenditure account, this is similar to profit and loss account. This is similar to profit and loss account. And which type of account means this is real or nominal or personal? Here this is nominal account. And next, these are the in income and expenditure account, we are recording all expenses recorded in debit side, and all incomes are recorded into credit side of the income and expenditure account. Here the difference between the income and expenditure, that is surplus or deficit. Okay, this surplus or deficit, it is transferred to which account, which means that is capital fund in balance sheet. That is capital fund in balance sheet. Okay, this is the not-for-profit organization accounts, preparing accounts, receipts and payment, and income and expenditure, and balance sheet. Okay, here the profit, and here the not-for-profit organization survive donations, grants, subscriptions from its members. Okay, what are the donations? Here the terminology in non-profit organization terminology: subscriptions and donations and legacies, and the life membership fee, entrance fee. These are all types of terminologies there. Subscriptions. First one is the subscriptions. What are the subscriptions? Subscriptions means what? It is revenue or it is capital. What is that? Subscriptions, revenue income, or that is a capital income. It is paid by the member. Subscriptions. This is subscriptions. This is regular income, regular source of income, regular source of income. That's why this is revenue income. This is revenue income. Revenue income. Subscriptions. It is an amount. It is given by the members. It is given by the paid by the members for regular or periodical intervals. Okay, this is a regular source of income. This income is treated to revenue income. Okay, here the revenue income where it is record. Revenue income where it is record means it is revenue income. It is goes to income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account in credit side of the income and expenditure account. These subscriptions are recorded in which side means in income and expenditure account in credit side. subscriptions. Okay, now subscriptions. Okay, next donations. Okay, donations can divide at two types. First one is the general donations and second one is the specific donations. Specific donations. First one is the general donations and second one is the specific donations. Without saying any purpose without saying any purpose of amount, that amount is called general donations. And specific donations means here building funds, like for example building fund and playground fund. Specific any place or any item is specific amount is given, that is called specific donations. Donations two types, those are general donations and any purpose of saying any, not without saying any purpose, that is called general donations. And building fund or playground, that purpose is giving the members, that fund is called as specific donations. Okay, here the donations and the next one is the legacies. This is also, it is also an amount of income. This is also an amount. This is who the person will of the person, at the will of the person is called legacies. This is not regular income source, but it is which income means this is capital or revenue income means it is capital income. It is capital income. Okay, here the donations, general donations and donations is specific donations and general donations. Here the general donations involving these donations involving huge amount that is capital income, and a small amount that is revenue income. Okay, now specific donations are treated to capital income. Specific donations are treated to capital income, and legacies, this is also capital income. Subscriptions, revenue incomes. And first we identify these for which items are capital and revenue items, and find out. First we will find out, and then after we entered and we record into the specific items that receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. Finally we got our true financial position of the organization at the end of the year. Okay, now at the end of the year, this is a not for profit organization main objectives and main theory. This is a not for profit organization. For profit organization, for example, first profit organization main motto is I told that for profit organization main motto profits to earn profits, and not for profit organization main motto to service motto. Which organizations are called not for profit organizations means, like here educational institutions, clubs and libraries, clubs and libraries, and religious institutions, societies, and cultural associations and cooperative societies. These are all called not profit organization institutions. These are all called not profit organization institutions. These institutions main objective is, what is the main objective? These institutions to earn to service motto. This main motto is service motto. Okay, business organizations main motto is profit motto, and not for profit organization main motto is service motto. For example, which are the not for profit organizations means, here educational institutions, clubs, and cultural societies, and religious temples, libraries, cooperative societies. These are all not for profit organization institutions. Okay, now these are all not for profit organization institutions. Okay, students, not for profit organization main motto is service motto. Okay, na, and profit organizations and not profit organization can both organizations can also using prepared final accounts. In profit organizations or commercial organizations, prepared trading and not prepared trading and profit and loss accounts. Here the not profit organizations prepared final accounts, those are also prepared final accounts. Those are receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Okay, na, and balance sheet. Okay, here the not for profit organizations prepared three types of accounts. Those are receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account, and the third one is the balance sheet. Finally, we got our financial position of the organization at the end of the accounting year. Okay, here the receipts and payments account, it is a similar to cash account, and it is a real account, and it is all receipts all are recorded into debit side, and all payments all are recorded into credit side of the receipts and payments account. And in this account, all capital and revenue items all are recorded into the receipts and payments account. And receipts and payments account starts with opening balance, that is cash and bank balance, and closing with ends with cash and bank balance. And in this receipts and payments account, this is real account or nominal account, means it is a real account. Okay, next income and expenditure. I told you income and expenditure, that is which account, which type of account, means that is nominal account, and it is similar to which account, profit and loss account. It is similar to profit and loss account. Okay, all expenses all are recorded into debit side of the income and expenditure, and all incomes all are recorded into credit side of the income and expenditure account. And here the which all expense means which expenses, and which incomes means here only revenue incomes and revenue expenses only recorded into the income and expenditure account. Okay, in this account we are recording all types of adjustments. Those are outstanding incomes and expenses, and prepaid incomes and expenses all are making to in this account, that is the income and expenditure account. Okay, finally the difference between the income and expenditure account, that is surplus or that is deficit, this is transferred to capital fund in balance sheet. This is income and expenditure account, and after we are preparing the balance sheet, in balance sheet capital payments and capital receives, all capital receipts and receipts all are liabilities side, we are recording in liabilities side, and capital expenses all are recorded into assets side. Okay, finally we got our not profit organization financial position, how it is our ending at the end of the year. This is the not for profit organization final information. Okay, here the subscriptions and donations, these are collecting the not for profit organization surveys on donations, grants, and subscriptions from its members. Okay, the donations can divided into two types. Those are the general donations and specific donations. Without mentioning any purpose, that is called general donation, and any specific purpose, that is called specific donations. Those are playground fund or building fund. Okay, next these are the donations. Here the donations, the huge amount of general donation, general donations involving the huge amount, that is goes to capital income. Okay, small amount, that is revenue income. Okay, now here specific donations, these specific donations involves which income, means this is capital income. Specific donation is, first we need to capital expenses, which is a capital expenses or which is a revenue expenses. For first we identify these expenses, which is a capital expense and which is the revenue expense. Capital expenditure benefit is more than one accounting period, more than one accounting year. This benefit is more than one accounting year. Which items or which assets are capital expenses? For example, capital expenses is, for example, buildings, furniture, land. All tangible and intangible assets all are treated to capital expense. All tangible and intangible assets all are capital expenses. This benefit is more than one accounting period, because the long period of the time is this benefit useful to us. That's why this is capital expense. Now revenue expense. Which is the revenue expense? Revenue expense means here the administrative expenses all are treated to revenue expenses. Administrative expenses all are treated to revenue expense. What is the administrative expenses means? Like for example, rent, salaries, wages, etc. Okay. Next the revenue items is royalty paid annually. Royalty paid annually for using patents, trademarks, for using patents and trademarks. This is also a revenue expense. Okay, here the revenue expenditure benefit is, these expenses benefit is below one accounting year. These are revenue expenses. Okay, capital expenses life is benefit is more than one accounting year and long period of time. And for example, those are buildings and tangible and intangible assets. So all assets, buildings, land, furniture, machinery, goodwill, trademarks, like that. Okay na. Next, the revenue expenses means revenue expenses benefit time is below one accounting year only. That type of assets, that type of expenses is called as revenue expenses. In this our organization, that revenue expenses means paying rents, salaries, wages and etc. and also royalty paid annually for using of trademarks and trademarks, ISI mark trademarks, that like. Okay now, these are the revenue expenses we are called revenue expenses. Next, the capital expenses amount is very huge amount. Capital expenses amount is huge amount in this capital expenses, and revenue expense is very small amount. Revenue expense is very small amount in okay, capital expenses is treated to assets side in balance sheet, in credit assets side, and revenue expenses is debit to the income and expenditure account. Debit side record into the income and expenditure account. And next, capital receipts and revenue receipts also there. Revenue receipts also there. Capital receipts and revenue receipts. What are the capital receipts and what are the revenue receipts? First, we identify these receipts. Capital receipts means, for example, capital receipts means capital contributed by members, contributed members capitals, loans raise, and next, life membership fee, legacies. These are all treated to capital receipts. Okay, capital contributed members capital, and loans raise, and life membership fee, and entrance fee, legacies. These are all treated to capital receipts. Next, revenue receipts. Revenue receipts means here the revenue receipts means here the discount, received discount, receiving interest, receiving commission, commission received, discount received, interest on investments, interest on investments, commission received and discount received. These are all treated to revenue receipts. Okay, here these are all revenue receipts and these are all capital receipts, treated to capital receipts. First we are find out and we are identify these, which is the capital item and which is the revenue item, and which is the capital receipts and which is the revenue receipts, and then after we are preparing that receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. Finally we got our true financial position of our organization, true results. Okay, thank you.